Hi everybody, I'm Julia from Darn Good Yarn, and today I'm going to teach you how to cast off using the long tail method. So I have a pair of knitting needles, US size 8, 5 millimeters, a yarn bowl, and this yarn, which is the worsted weight silk roving yarn, which you can all get on darngoodyarn.com. So first, to start off, you want to figure out how many stitches you're doing. So for this video, we are going to do cast on 10 stitches. So you want to start off with a tail about 12 to 15 inches long, and then from that point you are going to wind around your needle 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 8, 9, 10. And then from that point in the yarn is where you want to make your slip knot. For a slip knot, I like to have the yarn coming between my middle finger and my ring finger and then wrapping around towards my pointer finger and bringing it back through middle finger and ring finger. And then with this yarn coming down on my palm, I bring it up through this hole like a loop, and then I take out my fingers and pull the loop. So I will do that again. The nice thing about a slip knot is when you undo it, it just comes apart. So again, coming in between your middle finger and your ring finger, wrapping around towards your pointer finger, down through this same section here. Gonna pull a loop up under here like that, and release your fingers and pull it through. So then when you have this slip knot here, you're going to take one of your needles, put it through, and pull one of the ends, and you will be able to tighten the slip knot. So coming off of the slip knot, you should have 2 pieces of yarn, one going towards your ball and one the long tail that we measured out previously. So from here, you're going to take your pointer finger and your thumb, and you're going to put it in between these 2 threads here, and move your hand around to the other side. So it should kind of be like a V shape. So you're going to have these 2 coming off your thumb, and then 2 strings coming off of your pointer finger. So to start your first one, you want to go under the string closest to you, and then under the string that is closest to you from your pointer finger. So that should be coming through, and then you're going to pull these 2 threads and tighten them up, and that is the second stitch. So again, we're going to have your pointer finger and your thumb finger coming through these 2 threads and flipping your hand over, and this needle is going to go through the front piece of yarn and then going to grab onto this other one and come back through and then tighten. And I'll do it slow one more time. So you have the 2 pieces of yarn coming from your needle, pointer finger and your thumb, going to go through here and then flip your hand over. You're going to have the needle going under the first string and then grabbing onto that 3rd string, pulling through and then tightening. All right, so we're going to make 10 of these. Okay, so here we have 10 casted on stitches. So now I'm going to knit a few rows and then show you how to cast off. so now I'm going to teach you how to cast off. So if this was your whole project, this is what you would do. So first, you need to knit 2 stitches just as you would regularly. And then you're going to take the left needle, put it into the bottom stitch, and bring it over the top stitch and off of the needle. Like that. So you're going to then knit another stitch. And then again, with the left-hand needle, bringing it under the bottom stitch, up and over the top stitch and off of the needle. And you're going to keep doing that until you get to the last stitch. Okay, so now I have the last 2 stitches on the needle. So again, I'm going to pull that bottom one up over the top. And then all I have is this hoop left. So you're going to cut some of the yarn off, and then bring it through this loop here, and then tighten it, and you can make a knot. So when you're done with your project, you'll have 2 ends. You can weave them back in with a tapestry needle or cut them off. Something that's really great about the long tail method is if you have to sew pieces together, say you were making a headband and needed to sew the ends together, this is here for you to sew them together. So thank you for watching this video on how to cast on and cast off. If you're interested in learning more about knitting, check out darngoodyarn.com.